Hey everybody. I was on Facebook last night and my laptop randomly turned off. So I tried to turn it back on using that. And as you can see, it does not work. And I woke up this morning and tried to turn it back on. And did not work either. Didn't work. So, just wondering if anyone knew anything about this problem. I've been doing some research though about it, and people have been saying about the battery, take it out, and then holding that for 30 seconds, but tried that about 5 times and it hasn't worked. And yeah. So, just wondering if anyone knew anything about this, and if you do, then subscribe and write in the comment box. Thanks.